Yeah, you'll remember just yesterday, different city council leaders and a lot of protesters, they gathered here at City Hall, announcing new legislation from council in order to keep ICE agents here in Philly accountable. Well, today, District Attorney Larry Krasner and district attorneys from cities across the country, they joined forces with a message for ICE agents, FAFO. In this case, that stands for Fight Against Federal Overreach, and that's their new coalition. Here's how it works. As protests and calls for accountability over the shooting deaths of Alex Preddy and Renee Nicole Good at the hands of federal agents continue in Minneapolis and beyond, district attorneys from cities including Minneapolis, Dallas, Norfolk, and Philly announced a new coalition meant to take on the federal government in court and keep agents accountable.
If different counties work together, if we support each other, we are standing on stronger footing.
The Fight Against Federal Overreach, or FAFO coalition, will not only facilitate the sharing of information, but also resources, collecting donations, which they say will go towards funding any legal fights against the Trump administration.
You got to have a fair fight, right? You got to be able to match their resources. And so this is a legal fund for that and an opportunity for us to share what Steve has learned, what I've learned.
The move comes as concerns over unlawful detentions, agents entering without warrants, and excessive use of force grow. ICE! ICE! Yesterday, protesters marched through Center City demanding ICE agents leave communities.
ICE out! ICE out!
At that same rally, city council leaders announced their ICE out legislation, which looks to stop ICE agents from operating on city property, hiding identities behind masks, and driving unmarked cars. That will be introduced in council tomorrow. DA Krasner says it'll take all of these efforts to make sure agents aren't abusing power and breaking the law.
I view us all as being people who are trying to protect the residents of Philadelphia, protect the residents of the United States, uphold the Constitution and the laws, pursue justice. We're just doing it in different lanes.
Now, I did speak to organizers who said that they will be here at City Council tomorrow for the introduction of that legislation. They just want some way to keep ICE agents accountable. Meanwhile, we did ask the district attorney. He said, as of right now, there haven't been any criminal charges against agents here in Philly, but he wouldn't say whether they're currently investigating any reports. And this coalition is expected to meet to talk strategies in February. I'll send it back to you. I'm Miguel Martinez-Valle, NBC 10 News.